Let's take a closer look at this vocabulary. 小猫 You try. 小猫加拿大人加拿大人爱喜欢家 You can also say 家人 to indicate the people in your home. 家人你的家有谁？爸爸妈妈哥哥姐姐弟弟妹妹好的，这里有鱼朋友friend 朋友In the story it says 中国的朋友 Chinese friend 中国的朋友好 When you're answering questions you'll need these words 他的 The sound is the same if you want to talk about his or its 他的我的你的一起 In the story 小猫 and her friends 一起玩一起吃饭一起说话玩吃饭说话很好那么他们说什么他们说英文法文中文我们班很多人会说 and in our class many people speak 缅甸文 Remember we all live in 缅甸 And if we're counting we need to know For an amount we say 两 Does anyone remember what we say if we're just counting? That's right, 一二 But for an amount, we say 两三四五 Let's count it. 一二三四五 Let's give an amount. 一个两个三个四个五个很好加油